What is up, you guys? We're here today with Fetty Potter and Uzi Walker Daniel. My name is Gabe Cruz, and today we're at a very special store, Barnes & Noble. Yeah,
store.
Seriously, I think this is one of the last ones in the Bay Area. There might be two. There's at least a
But
few left, but
really
they're a
the Bay
dying
Area.
breed, which is very sad. So we thought, let's keep these bookstores alive. Reading is important. We're gonna go and give our business to this bookstore, Barnes & Noble, which is amazing. And they also have a toy section, right? They're gonna go in there, pick out something for the opponent to skate, and then they're gonna play a game of skate on it back at the Braille house after they turn it into a skateboard somehow.
Yes.
So we'll see how it goes. Must have a nose and tail. So you guys ready?
Yes.
I wonder who Barn is and who is Noble.
That's a pretty cool last name, Noble. Let's focus.
Dude, they actually have a lot of potential here. I'm very surprised.
Wow.
Incredibles.
Okay, you know where I think we're gonna find them? The kids section.
I think you're right. What's this?
It's a turntable.
I'm guessing it's over 75.
Oh, this one's 119. Yeah, okay, we're out.
I don't even have a record player. Oh, not gonna lie, I had that album in my car.
Okay, but you know what I don't like about it too? It's the year I was born.
I had the album in my car. I had 2 albums in my car.
Wait, actually playing?
Not today.
No, but at one stage it was playing in your car. Wow.
For a long time. 2 albums in my car, like CDs, and it was Sempiternal, Bring Me Horizon, and Taylor Swift.
They have Tech Decks here?
Whoa.
What? What if they have Doug? Wait, I want to... Okay, I'm sorry. I just need to see if they have Revive ones here. Okay, they don't. We can move. Hey, they have Fortnite books.
What?
Well, he's found some big books over there.
Look at this. Feel the slime. It's plastic.
I can't feel the slime.
It's plastic. Caterpillar. Oh, here it is.
That was beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, we need to find like the most sturdy book.
This is pretty sturdy.
That's pretty sturdy, but I know we can do better. We need to find like freaking encyclopedia or something. I'm talking this. World Atlas. I'm talking a World Atlas. Oh my god. What? How much is it? 150?
119.
No way. Any other ones?
89.
Dang, dude, that's ridiculous. Maybe we just do the first ever joined Skate Everything Wars and just buy that book with both of your budgets.
Actually, I really like these. Have you ever seen these things? They're just really ugly toys. Look at the teeth. I'm just trying to find like the biggest book I can find.
Somebody that was trying to market their book, all they have to do is make their book giant. There's no giant book.
No.
Oh, here we go. ACT.
College life, study aids, SAT,
Nah,
Flint City.
you need a seriously like thick one.
Book.
Hardcover.
What's your toughest book?
You need to go to the bodybuilding section. What? Really wish that book wasn't $150. What if they have a book about skateboard? Oh, Fetty.
Oh my god, that's heavy.
That is thick. See how much?
No.
Do they have a price scanner somewhere?
I can go over there. I can ask.
History of the world.
That is a big book. Well, it's only $29 too. Oh no, front pages.
Save it.
Look at front pages. New York Times.
Oh,
That's a good one. It's also really heavy, so
It's gonna be hard to top this one.
it's gonna be hard to drill through that one.
Yeah.
What if it's more expensive than the other one?
Is there a price scanner in here?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh.
It is $34.98.
Oh
We got a
my
winner.
gosh. We're getting it. Oh, Fetty, we got a lot of leeway here. Dude, this is sick. What exactly is this? Take us through this.
20th century world agriculture.
Wow.
Buildings. Buildings. More buildings. Black and gray buildings. A hand.
A hand.
Shiny buildings. So my guess, it's a book about the buildings.
Wow.
Oh, his one's quite large too.
Where did he find that?
Look at this. Wait, what have you guys got the same book almost?
Dude, look at what I found. Never mind. I thought it was a Ouija board. It's a $1 bill.
I was wrong about the kids section having oh, I found it.
That's the one he has, huh?
Is it? I don't know.
I think
No,
it is.
it's not. Oh, okay, yep. Put that down.
What?
That is so heavy.
I want to see what the big fuss is all about. It has a cover.
Yeah.
You could.
Wow.
We are all done, but we're gonna go look at the Funko Pops, so you guys can go ahead. Good luck, Uzi.
Thank you.
I think this is, yeah, we get into the toys, but I think that's the biggest book you're gonna find.
What y'all doing over here?
You guys done?
I think so.
All right, let's cut it. Okay, guys, we have a container of Birdie Bot's every flavor Harry Potter beans, and Fetty and I have decided that the loser of this game has to eat one of every single flavor, which is earwax, dirt, booger, earthworm, black pepper, vomit, soap, sausage, rotten egg, and grass.
That vomit one is.
That is brutal. Whoever came up with the flavors, like how they synthesized the taste of vomit, disgusting, and their job sucks. That adds some interesting flair to this episode. Okay guys, real quick, I would like to apologize for labeling this a bookstore when we were outside, because this is not a bookstore. This is my favorite episode we've done yet. This is like our peak, okay? They have everything here, Fetty.
I know, I love this place.
This is not a store. This is a lifestyle. They have a little cafe. You can literally live in here and never die because you have coffee and food and water.
And survival guides. Your book is so much lighter than mine.
They have a legit Kylo Ren lightsaber right there, locked up and everything. Daniel, do not go back there.
How was your visit?
How was your visit? It was unreal. One of the most incredible experiences of my entire life.
I rate it 9 out of 10 books. Would walk around again.
If Barnes & Noble were a store...
It is.
Wait, that came out wrong. I meant to say, if Barnes & Noble were a book, I would read it. That's what I meant to say.
Hey Fetty, how was your visit?
It was great. There was education sports paper.
It's like how you call Carlos.
What? Say my name?
So are we just drilling into this?
I think we just drill into it, yeah.
Someone should write a book about us. Someone should write a book about you.
Me and Dan should have our own reality show.
I think we should just have a Braille reality show in general.
Welcome to the real house skaters of reality.
Dude, that's sick looking.
Easy does it.
I'll put it straight and somehow it always ends up crooked.
Oh, yes. That was nice. Yes! You can still read it! Oh no. There it is. Seriously,
This is like the easiest thing ever.
I guess.
Let me see yours. Let me see yours. Ooh, you're in for a treat, bro. I could do 20 curls of these tonight and be swole by tomorrow.
Wait, whoa!
That's not how I
Fellas.
thought it would feel. It feels like I'm skating a pancake.
What are you doing?
Oh, he's boom slacking. Here comes
Okay,
the boom.
look, this is the boom slack, but why is it 500 feet long?
Because you can do things really far.
Okay, guys, you can commence the Rochambeau. Oh!
Remember, whoever loses this game has to eat every flavor of the Birdie Bots, every flavor bean.
These are way harder to skate than you would think.
Well, I mean, they are books.
You want to stand on it?
Sure. Yeah.
Yep. Flap check.
This one's so flimsy.
What?
Count it.
He read that one just right.
Uzi.
What did we tell you about coming in front of the camera to do your tricks? Boy, can you put on some normal skate shoes? What are you? Look at this.
They're so comfy.
What are those?
Oh boy, you crazy. Man, that was some front page commitment right there.
Just stole my trick, huh?
I think he just stole your trick.
I'm gonna try to ollie onto the manual pad. This ain't gonna work. Oh.
Wow! The ball dropping off the board. I can't.
That was a setup.
Dude, that fully just broke.
What is wrong with you today?
I can't get a read on what Uzi's trying to do here.
Okay, Uzi, why would you were like 2 feet away from the bank.
What were you expecting to happen? Oh, we're pulling out the kick turns. It's amazing how much better it looks over here when there's lighting. I think they both don't want to eat those birdie bots.
Oh no!
I got it. That thing, Wally over it.
What? No! That was sick!
Oh no.
That definitely counts. Oh, let's see how this goes. Hey, just full send. Why do you have a battery in your pocket?
I asked myself the same question.
I'm not impressed. Oh!
He's still a noob at these builds.
He'll learn eventually. What are you trying to go into grind?
Yeah.
Carlos, you know real skating isn't allowed in these videos. Not gonna lie, that was
actually really cool.
extremely impressive.
This thing sucks.
Oh, that was fine.
Carlos, can you grab me the birdie bots out of my office?
And I get the Carlos wax side. Sick.
Literally so much wax. I'll give you one more try because of the waxing situation. Birdie bought me, Carlos. Okay, you guys, let's go over to the workbench. We're here with the Wizarding World Harry Potter Birdie Bots every flavor beans. Okay, so in this package we have earwax, dirt, booger, earthworm, black pepper, vomit, soap, sausage, rotten egg, and grass.
Sausage and black pepper I want. I haven't tried those.
The actual game Uzi won, but the better build Fetty won. So we're just gonna have them both eat them.
Nest.
Wait, no, hold on.
Sure.
I'm gonna pick one for you. There you go, my friend.
I don't even know what this is. It tastes like laundry soap, dude.
It is soap. It is
What
soap.
the heck?
So how about you guys both get 2 really bad ones and 1 chill one?
I'll take
dirt. I wanted dirt.
Okay, you guys both want dirt. Eat it.
Oh, right now?
Yep, this is dirt. I do want to try the soap one.
That tastes like dirt. How do they do this?
I don't know, dude. Here's black pepper. Wait, which one did you have? Grass?
I'm in grass right now. I feel like a goat.
All right, pepper. You have pepper?
Carlos,
Daniel?
go.
It just gets stronger.
Yo,
What the?
Should we pull up the garbage can or is it chill?
There's
that's
only.
really good.
You like the pepper?
The pepper one's really good.
Okay. Rotten egg or vomit
Yeah.
is the 2 finalists that one of you guys have to have.
How about you guys
rather have
Rochambeau?
There you go. Yeah, we'll Rochambeau. You guys get to choose. And then whoever wins gets to choose theirs, and the other one has to eat the super nasty one. They get to pick either vomit or rotten egg. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! What do you want, vomit or rotten egg?
I'll guess vomit.
What? Okay, wait. You guys gotta eat this at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go.
You have to chew.
How would you say earthworm is on a smaller tier, dude?
Are you okay? Are you good?
That was literally like the weirdest thing I've ever tasted in my life.
Yeah.
Finally breathed.
Just give him that and
Earwax.
yeah.
Mario! Is he not here? Oh, so he didn't hear anything. Mario! Please have one.
What are those?
Salted caramel jelly beans. It's literally the best jelly beans I've ever had.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's amazing.
Your hands clean?
I'm serious. Yeah, they're clean.
I didn't taste anything
Why'd you spit it out?
because I wasn't sure what it was.
It's a freaking jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
No, I'm not. No, thank you. I'm
Mario!
not having it. Try one. Try one.
I did already.
I want to see you. I want to see you have one. Right in front of my eyes.
I'm eating dirt. It's not good.
Wait, you have that? That's not in the bad one.
It's horrible. Do you normally just go eat dirt?
Try the vomit one.
Here, you gotta have this one.
What is it?
Just full send. Don't ask.
That's what we all did. We all did a roulette.
It just tastes awful. What is it?
That's booger.
Wait, what do you got now?
Tastes like cough syrup,
Earthworm.
dude.
Tastes like a meaty kind of dirt.
Ooh,
That's earthworm.
Does,
Right?
doesn't it?
meaty kind of dirt. Yeah.
We're gonna continue eating these Birdie Bots every flavor beans, but that was a lot of fun. That Barnes & Noble episode was seriously one of my favorite ones yet. So I really hope you had as much fun watching it as we had making it, and we will see you tomorrow. So please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let us know whatever store you want us to go to next, because it's kind of hard to think of some stores now. Do you want to see like store versus store war, or are there any other stores that we've missed? Let us know in a comment below and we will make it happen. Follow us all on Instagram, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys are seriously the best.
All right, guys, we're super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.